Hey everyone, it's Cindy with Keller Williams Realty Boise, and you may or may not have heard about the new training calendar, and I wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial on how easy it is to get signed up for classes. We will no longer be using the clipboards at the business meetings, so this is how we want you guys to sign up for your classes. Please, please, please sign up for classes through this site. It's really super easy, as you'll see in just a few minutes. And it also sends you a message when you sign up for the class. And if we make any changes on the classes, you'll get a notification for that as well. So we've cut out several steps now to get to the training calendar. You're simply going to type in kwconnect.com/calendar. And that's going to take you straight to the calendar. The first thing that you want to do is log in if you're not already logged into your KW account. You want to make sure your picture shows up here, or at least your name. If you aren't logged in, you'll simply log in and you're going to use the same username and password that you use to get to your KW account. The next thing you want to do is click on the Advanced Filters link, and you're going to uncheck these buttons: the KWRI, My Region, All Regional Events, All Market Center Events, and Luxury Homes. So the only one you should have checked is the My Market Center. It's the red button. And these other filters, you can leave those checked if you'd like. Then click Apply Filters. And that's going to set your calendar. So when you go into the calendar each time, you'll only see our classes. So it'll cut out all those other classes that are going on pretty much across the United States with Keller Williams. So it'll make your calendar look a lot nicer. So it'll keep the filters there when you log in. You won't have to worry about doing that each and every time. Here's our classes. We've got January pulled up here, and of course we're almost done. Today's the 30th, so you can see here's the 30th. And this is the calendar that we're going to be putting all of the classes on. So we're not going to be, doing it on the Market Center intranet calendar anymore. That one's going to go away. We're going to wipe it clean as of February 1st. So this is the only place you can go to sign up. You can view the classes by day, by week, or month. And you can see if we click on the week, here's our classes for the rest of this week. And all you're going to do is you're simply going to click on a class that you want to attend, and you're going to click Attend, and that gets you signed up for that particular class. The nice thing about the system is you will get an email within a few minutes that you have registered for the class, or you can go right here and export the class to your Gmail calendar or your iCal calendar. The other thing is if we change the time or the location, or something happens that we have to cancel a class, we'll make the changes on here, and you'll get a notification of that within a few minutes as well. So if we have to cancel a class for some reason, we don't want you to drive into one of the offices to attend. We'll let you know as soon as we can. The other thing that you can do on this calendar is you can write a review. So after you've attended the class, feel free to go on here and write a review on the instructor. You can write a review on the class itself. Please let us know what you think. We're always looking for feedback. We want to make our training and education the best it can be. You can also click on the roster to see who else is attending the class. So that is your calendar. You just simply, again, go to kwconnect.com/calendar. It'll take you straight into the calendar, and that's where you're going to sign up for all the classes. If you have any questions, you can call me at 208-472-8616, or you can email me, Cindy@kwboise.com. Thanks, everyone, and have a great day.